Let's discuss weak hash map. This weak hash map, it is also exactly similar to this hash map only. The difference is that, in case of hash map dominates the garbage collector. Okay, so let me tell you this way. So let's increase the font size. As I said, like hash map dominates the garbage collector. If there is no references attached to the garbage collector, if there is no references attached to the hash map object, even though the garbage collector would not, remove the, would not delete the hash map object. Okay, so this is one of the disadvantage actually. Okay, so in order to overcome this, we have a one more collection called weak hash map. Weak hash map. So weak hash map will be, like it will be easily collected by the garbage collectors. So after using the weak hash map object, if there is no references attached to the weak hash map, then the garbage collector easily will remove the object. Okay, so that's the only difference between the hash map and weak hash map. So I can give an example actually. Let's say, like, imagine, we have an application where you want to, store the additional data of the user. Okay, I can say that metadata of the users. Okay, such as, like, last login time. Okay, something like that. Okay, so you want this metadata, so you want this login details and all will be stored in a way that it doesn't prevent the user object, being garbage collected. When there is no, longer use, if we are not using these, objects for longer time, so we are telling that JVM to collect that object with the help of the garbage collector. Okay. Yes. Let's take an example on weak hash map. Let me take a real time scenario. If you are logging to the Facebook, okay, after some time, like, if you are ideal for some time, so at that time, you will be, like, thrown out of the session. Okay, so your session will be closed. Who will be closing your session? So the garbage collector will be closing the session. Okay, so that is also one of the example of this weak hash map actually. Okay, fine. That's all about it. The hash map, weak hash map. If you want me to go to the next concept, let me go.